So hey guys, up to this point the Samsung Galaxy S23 rumors have had me fairly excited about this future Android flagship phone. But as much as I am looking forward to a 200 megapixel camera on the Ultra variant or a new design and large batteries on the base and Plus models, now it's a rumor about the phone's CPU that has me excited. Yes, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 CPU became official. Meanwhile, Samsung was notably absent from the Qualcomm's list of partners. Later, it was claimed that the South Korean company may employ a unique Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 CPU with a faster CPU. Now, it appears that the company's upcoming high-end phones will also employ a higher clocked GPU too. According to a few fresh rumors, Samsung appears to seek to get higher clocked variants of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 CPU for its Galaxy S23 series devices. As per early Geekbench findings, the Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus and the Galaxy S23 Ultra will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 with a main performance core clocked at 3.36 GHz that is really fast. In comparison, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is said to have a 35% faster CPU and a 25% faster GPU than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. More importantly, Qualcomm has focused on increasing the power efficiency of its latest flagship chipset, since its CPUs from previous two generations suffered to overheat and throttle under substantial load. This is something we all agree on. If you're wondering why this is such an exciting news, look at the following. For several years, Samsung has offered an odd split in the Galaxy S models. Smartphones sold in the United States utilizing Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon chip, but those phones sold in Europe use Samsung's own Exynos chip. On the surface, this isn't a concern, but it's been clear though the last several Galaxy S generation leading up to the Galaxy S22 that the Exynos devices are weak performed. Exynos Samsung such as the Galaxy S22 Plus and the Galaxy S22 Ultra are still good but not as good as their Snapdragon siblings. A good news is that a recent performance rumors for the Galaxy S23 series includes not just some great benchmark results thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, but also the claim that Samsung would use Snapdragon processor in the Galaxy S23 units across the world. So it's encouraging to learn that Samsung has made this decision. So what do you think about this Galaxy S23? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.